Hey guys, Morgan here. I'm with Lauren Permuy and Marcela Gomez, and they are going to give us their next executive update. They'll be letting us know how their teams are doing, give us some insight on job awards and backlog, as well as how we are able to maintain and continue to build our customer relationships during these times. How are we doing, ladies?
Awesome.
Great. Happy to be here. Happy to be back in the office.
Yes.
That's for sure.
Yeah.
Yes, it's definitely been nice to see a bunch of familiar faces walking around. So with that, you've been seeing the same faces at home for a while. I know you both have little ones that you're dealing with.
Yeah.
Can you tell us about how that's been a nice adjustment?
It's been a little bit of a nightmare. I feel bad saying that, but school is over in a week, and I can't wait for summer break. It's crazy. I mean, I love him. I love him so much, but it is a lot of work.
Well, and I think a lot of your teams can probably relate to that struggle as well. Can you give us some updates on how they're handling and adjusting to this new normal?
Sure. I mean, our team has been doing a great job. I've actually seen all of the teams really step up in these crazy times, which I'll tell you is easier said than done. For us, for business development, it's really been about over communicating both internally, providing market and job site intel, and externally with developers, GCs, and other stakeholders. So just to make sure we're all aligned. It's easy to be a good partners in good times, but it's important, maybe more important, to be a good partner in crisis too. One of the things that we're doing to help support the industry is we've been bringing together some of our top national developer clients, virtually of course, every 2 weeks to keep a pulse on what's been happening, strategize ways we can all work together to keep construction safe, essential, and keep new projects going forward.
Yeah, this is the perfect time to stay closer, and keep that communication going with our customers and developers, right?
100%.
On our end, I would say on my end, with the estimating group, for example, we've been meeting with the chief estimators, Corwin, the executives, and so on, to talk about our bids and strategize on how we can continue building our backlog. These days, things are changing quickly, and our teams are working hard to adjust to the current market needs. I mean, from engineering, VDC, training, everybody's trying to come up with ways to figure this out. And I think we're doing an awesome job overcoming that.
But I want to go back to what you talked about with backlog. So why is this important? What does it mean? Kind of give us a little more information regarding that.
So before I start talking about our backlog, let's talk about what we have under contract right now. We have $2.5 billion in contracts right now.
Wow. That is a lot of double wow.
A lot of zeros, right? A lot of zeros. And we're doing a good job, right? So of that, 1.5 billion is work that needs to be put in place. And that is what our backlog is. Our backlog is important because it represents the amount of work we have in the months ahead. So the bigger the backlog, the more work we have ahead of us.
Right.
For example, we have jobs that don't end until 2023.
Well, I know since I've been back, I've heard the bell ring a few times around here and out on the grid. When we get a new job award, we ring a bell, and then we get to hear the region song.
And everybody
gets very excited. So to make sure I continue to hear the ring the bell on the grid, what can we do with our clients, new and old, to build that successful relationships?
I mean, the number one thing is we have to continue to perform in the field. Like I just said, we're doing a great job, but that's got to go. The number one thing is to perform in the field. That customer experience that they're used to getting, that we've created for them, is what makes us the first choice on their new work. That track record that we built over the last 31 years of quality customer service and really just doing the right thing is what our customers are looking for in this crazy time.
So to wrap things up here, what do you ladies think is something that Power Design can do in order to continue to be successful during these times?
So for me, I have a couple things, right, that I think are key. So one is holding ourselves accountable, making sure that we're being proactive, that we are going above and beyond for our customers and for our teams. Also continue to build the relationships with our customers and vendors and staying focused on our core project types and markets. That's key.
I totally agree, Marcela. Really sticking to that multi-housing, quite frankly, because we're good at it. We're leveraging our extensive experience to reduce risk and build quality projects. The work that we've done over the last several years, like expanding into new geographic markets from California and Seattle all the way over to New York, as well as increasing our services to include mechanical, systems, lighting, and engineering have set us up for success. And that's part of what makes Power Design built to last.
Oh, that was good.
I love it. So again, thank you so much for taking some time out of your day to talk to us about what's been going on in your worlds and how your teams are doing.
Yeah, thank you for letting us share
Thanks
this.
for having us.
Yes.
Bye, everybody.